Good day, everyone. So, today we are going to start with the implementation of Vapi, and we will learn how we can use Vapi in our Flutter app. So, what is Vapi? So, first of all, we can go to the Vapi dashboard. So, basically, what we do is that we can use Vapi to basically communicate with uh, the GPT, and these can be various providers. If I go to this Assistance tab, we can select the model. There are a lot of models that we can select from. We can give it our own knowledge base because like in short terms we can basically train this assistant for specific needs. We can choose the provider. There are a lot of providers, the tokens, the temperature we can detect. We can basically set everything. So how can we actually use it in our Flutter app? So first of all, you need to go to this website, Vapi, and we log in to it. So when you log in, you will see this dashboard. You have to create a new assistant. I've already created this test assistant, and this is my assistant ID. Um, and then you have this package Vapi on pub.dev. The problem right here is that we are not actually going to use this Vapi package. We are going to use Vapi new. The reason being that the old package basically has some issues with the older version, sorry, the new version, and the Vapi package is not updated right now. So this new package, basically the updated version of this package, the Vapi new, and we are going to use this Vapi new, and then we are going to interact with the Vapi. So I've just copied it, and I'll go into the pubspec.yaml file, add it in here. I also need the permission for basically using the mic. So I'll add this permission handler. Okay, now I'm just gonna start and run my application. Okay, so meanwhile the application is running. What we have to do is that we look into this documentation. So we need to add these three lines in the Android manifest file. I have to stop the app from running, and in the manifest file I've added these permissions. Okay, and I'll save it. Let me just see if there are any other things that we need to do. Okay, so there isn't anything that we have to add over here, so I'll just stop it and run my application. Okay, so we are receiving an issue with this. Namespace is not defined. Okay. Okay, so the namespace issue is resolved by adding this these lines in the build.gradle file, and when I run the application again, I will receive a different error. This error will be about changing the minimum SDK version. See, there it is. So I'll just go into the app level build.gradle file, and in the minimum SDK version, I'll change it to 24. And now when I run my application, so here it is, my application is up and running. This is a demo application. I haven't changed anything in this. So let's just go into the example, and in here copy this code and paste it in here. Okay, so I'm receiving these issues. The Vapi new is not available. This is because it's Vapi, and this is Vapi new. So the issue is resolved. Also, now we have two things: the Vapi public key and Vapi Assistant ID. So to basically get the public key, you will find that in the dashboard there isn't anywhere that we can get the public key. So for public key, you can directly go to this link, dashboard.vapi.ai/org/api-keys. You can go to this, or you can click on this Ask AI, click on search for give me my public key, and it will provide you with the link that I've just showed you. So if I click on this, I'm go redirected to this API keys page. Okay, now I have to copy my public key from here. So I've made this constants file, and in here I have these two variables, public key and assistant ID. I'll add them over here. Public key, I'll import it, and the assistant ID. Okay, so I can't like assign it over here. So what I can do is I can make it a bar, and in here I can assign it same as the case over here. Okay, and now you can just copy your assistant ID as well as the public key and add it over here. I'll just add it and then continue. Okay, so I've added my public key and my assistant ID, and this is the demo app. So if I just click on the start call, the requesting Mac permission is shown while using the app, and my app has started. As you can see, the client is created. Invalid key, hot tip, you may be using the private key instead of the public key or vice versa. Okay, we are having an issue over here. Let me just confirm that I'm using the public key and my public key is accurately copied, and then I'll check again. Okay, so I've tried it again. Okay, so I've tried everything, and the variables are fine. So I'll just start again, start a call. Okay, there might be some issue with this. I'll just rerun my application. So my app is up and running. I'll click on the start call. Vapi client is created. Joining Vapi call ready. Joining call.
Hello, I am an
And here my
assistant.
call is ready. Currently I'm using a simulator, so the app won't be able to work. If I run this app in a real device, the app will be showing, and the call will be working as expected. Of Vapi working in Flutter app. How are you? No, just checking in on you. Thanks.